I will be using this Pink by Pure Beauty So Blur Cream. My pores and to correct my skin tone. And this one is mattifying, kaya gusto ko siya. Kasi syempre after putting a lot of skincare products, mukha ka ng oily. And next, we're gonna use the Sunnies Face Fluffmatte Lipstick in the shade Nude. So, maglalagay lang ako dito sa brush. Ayan. And then, lalagay ko siya sa eyebrows ko. So as you guys can see, I really have dark circles. So I'm gonna use the Sunnies Face Fluffmatte Lipstick in the shade Hot Sauce as my color corrector. So para hindi ka na bumili ng color corrector cream, ito na lang. Yung lalagyan mo lang is yung may mga pigmentation. Gamit na akong mirror. Huwag yung buong mata mo, yung kung paano mo linalagyan ng concealer, huwag ganun. Kasi pag ganun yung ginawa mo, papangat siya tignan. So, dapat din lang siya. May mga pigmentation lang. Talaga. Okay, medyo ang weird na tignan. Diba? Ang weird na tignan. For my foundation, I'm gonna use the Mary Kay TimeWise Matte Wear Liquid Foundation. So, as you guys can see, meron pa siyang red. Pero okay lang yun kasi I'm still gonna use a concealer. So, for my concealer, I'm gonna use the Instant Age Rewind from Maybelline. So, for my lipstick, I'm gonna use the Sunnies Face Fluffmatte Lipstick in the shade Beige. And for my eyeshadow, I'm gonna use the Sunnies Face Fluffmatte Lipstick in the shade 143 and Milkshake. And then, for my blush on, I'm gonna use the Sunnies Face Fluffmatte Lipstick in the shade Vacay. And then, as a contouring stick, I'm gonna use the Sunnies Face Fluffmatte Lipstick in the shade Nude. So for my bronzer, I'm gonna use the Love and Beauty by Forever 21 Contour Duo. So para mag-set na yung makeup, I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro Face High Definition Matte Pressed Powder. By the way guys, yung brushes na ginagamit ko, it's from Clutz. And super mura lang. Oh my gosh. And for my highlighter, I'm gonna use this Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. Ayan. And this. So for my highlighter, I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. Itong taffy yung gagamit. Parang siyang bronzy. Naglagay na ako kanina kasi nakat yung video. So, parang meron na siya. Ang dami ko mag-highlighter. Okay na yan. Parang nag-pop up. Oh my, ang dami. So for my mascara, I'm gonna use this Loreal Lash Paradise mascara. This is my favorite mascara, as in sobrang favorite ko to. Kasi ang ganda niya talaga sa mata. I swear guys. I'm gonna hide my pimples. So, if you guys like this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button to get notified for my next videos. Bye!